Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, thank you for returning. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys a delicious brown stew chicken recipe and how to make Jamaican cornmeal dumpling and sweet potatoes. So if you guys want to see that, please stick around. So guys, what I'm going to be doing now is I'm showing you guys the ingredients that I'm going to use. Just a chicken, some sweet potatoes. I thought I had more, but I mean that's all I had left. The cornmeal, glazed cornmeal, to go in the flour. Some all-purpose flour, just a little bit of oil, not a lot. The vinegar to clean the meat. And some garlic powder. I'm using a lot of garlic powder and onion powder. Some more garlic powder, accent, dash, more garlic herb, some all-purpose seasoned salt, black pepper, and some more garlic and onion powder. But this is all in. And of course that, sorry, but these are just all the ingredients that I'll be using in today's video or for today's recipe. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. And I always wash my meat with vinegar or lime juice or both. And I'm just trying to clean off the excess fat and the little yellow thing that come at the tip of the chicken leg off. So guys, if this is your first video of you watching me cook, then you don't know that I really do love a lot of seasoning. I like a lot. I don't think it makes this way better. So I'll be using a lot of seasoning here, but you can use it in moderation or as much as or as little as you like. Depends. So again guys, if you're new here, welcome. My name is Terisha. I upload videos twice a week on Mondays and Wednesdays. I do DIY videos, cooking videos, clean with me, hair tutorials, pretty much whatever I do and everything motherhood related you can find on this channel. So if you're a fan of that, please remember to hit that subscribe button. I'd love to have you join the family. Comment down below, like this video, let me know if I need to put out more content like this. Also guys, you can leave a comment down below and let me know what type of content you would be interested in seeing. Your suggestions will be valuable and well needed because I'm making these contents for you guys. So if you have any suggestion, please let me know. So guys, right here I'm using part flour, part cornmeal, and a pinch of salt, and I'm just going to blend it in and add water to it as I go. And you just want to knead it like you're making a dough. Well, you are kneading dough, so you're just going to knead it and try to add water to it as you go along. Okay guys, I'm now going to roll it in a ball, press it in the palm of my hand and put it on, okay, flat. Just simple. But you're going to see me kind of stacking up the flour dumpling right here. Please don't do that, because I needed a bigger bowl or pan, because it got stuck together and I had to basically redid most of them. So please don't stack them on each other. And I'm just going to peel and slice the potatoes to put in, add it to the pot, the boiling water. So guys, my next video will be what I eat in a day, or what I typically eat in a day, and then the video after that will be a nail tutorial. Yeah, I'll be doing acrylic nails for you guys. So please remember to hit that subscribe button if you want to see more. And as I said before, please leave a comment and let me know what type of content you'll be interested in seeing.